Dude, stay tuned, man. We got a part that came in. Finally. This the part number, man. We're gonna show y'all what it is real quick. If I can get it open. We're gonna do a video on this thing, man. Know what this is? Some came in the mail. Y'all comment below, man. If y'all know what this is, all my old school fans, if you know what this is, comment down below. We're gonna do a how-to video on this thing. It's my first time, so I'm gonna be doing a how-to myself. Y'all comment below, man. I'm trying to get y'all a little sneak back with another video, man. Today actually gonna be like a how-to. So this is basically my first time putting a keyhole in. But this is a 84 Monte Carlo, guys. Y'all check it out. And I'm missing my keyhole, which we can't key around like that. So I actually ordered this part. And like I said, this is the part number. Let me get it for you. 1 second. This is the part number. And like I said, this is my first time doing it. I knew I needed it. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in. It's a little self-explanatory, if that makes sense. So apparently, like I said, this is the lock. Now, to get this the right way, I don't think you'll get confused based off, if you look right here in the hole, it's got the 1, 2, 3, and then whatever this is. Well, if you look right here, it's got the 1, 2, 3, and then whatever that is at the bottom. So most likely it's gonna go just like that. After I move this washer back some more, it's gonna go in just like that, and that'll let you know. So that's a good thing they got these brackets. Y'all see 1, 2, 3, and then how this kind of over here. Y'all can see that the bottom, that's kind of over there. So that's how it's gonna go. So we're gonna face this up, and then this thing, it goes only one way. You can't really get it confused. Y'all look right here, y'all can see the hole that it need to go to. So apparently this thing goes, let me make sure I got it right. This slides in the slot just like that. So it's gonna be wiggly. That's how it's supposed to look. And when it slides like that, you're gonna slide it all the way through, which you can get it right there, but you can kind of guide yourself like right up in here, and it's gonna stick out a little bit right up in here. All right. So after that, if y'all want to know where this thing goes, this goes actually through this little slot here. So we're gonna see how we can get this in this little slot, but that basically smashes that, so this won't move when you keep shutting the trunk down. So that's what this for, is for this thing right here. So we're gonna go on and put it in. If I can get it on my hand, but yeah, we can go and put it in and see how it goes. Say it was the most easiest thing ever, guys. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's easy. So basically we got it through here. If y'all look right here, we got the little pin thing. I just stuff it in there, and when you do mess it in there, you gonna feel the snug, and you gonna feel it grip. And then right here, that's where the pin hole came through. So now is the final result to see if it works. Now, oh my God, that is better. Man, if y'all only knew how it was without a trunk latch, I mean a trunk thing, when I had to get the screwdriver. So this is the part we're gonna see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Boy, y'all don't understand how it feels to keep popping this damn thing with the screwdriver. I always felt like I was breaking in. I say that pop so good, but you know the bad thing I hate to see? Let me shut it right down. The bad thing is, okay, so I changed these, right? A little dirt right there. So I changed, y'all gotta excuse that dirt. I changed these. Well, when I bought those two, I bought those two and from a different website, and I bought another one. I ordered another from a different website. Well, I didn't push send to order it, so I end up not worrying about it until it kept bothering me, and every time it bothered me, I was just like, let me go on and order. But when I get in the house, I forget. But basically, these keys is different. So I got 4 sets of keys that's gonna be, yep, different. That's the bad thing. The bad thing, I'm gonna have 4 sets of keys, but it's gonna be the trunk key from this key. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in the house and I'm gonna put 2 keys. I'm gonna have a trunk key and a lock key, and I'm gonna have to mark it. I don't know how. I need a Sharpie. I'm gonna put T, and I'm gonna put D. D for door and T for trunk. But like I said, she's in there. This little piece right here, that's just a washer that goes around. And man, she makes this, that one little piece makes this whole Monte Carlo starting to pop. Start to, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a small thing, guys, that to make your car pop, man. Just small things. Just small things. I'm gonna have to take these out. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take these out so I can repaint them black. And the same thing for around here. We're gonna have to paint them black so that blue won't be shown. Or we might just get some tail lights. What y'all think? Should we get some more tail lights? But let's pop this trunk one more time, man. And she go in there smooth, man. And you only can go one way. You can't go that way. You don't go that way, man. That's and you won't have to worry about this stuff. This gonna keep it in, so you won't have to worry about that. So thank y'all for watching. Give y'all one more shot at it. Thank y'all for watching, man. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Hope y'all like this video. That's how you put the key in. Simple. Just like that.